Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So ये जो वीडियो है आज की वो एक हॉल वीडियो होने वाली है. 2 साल हो गए हमने कोई स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग नहीं की और जैसे मुझे पता चला कि जो बैंड्रा का जो स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग एरिया है वो खुल चुका है. सो आई वॉज लाइक व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर, लेट्स गो एंड डू शॉपिंग. यार मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा टाइम हो गया, हमने कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग किया ही नहीं है. सो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग किया है. सो मैं ये वीडियो को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज अगर सब कुछ इसमें ही डाल दिया तो फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो हो जाएगी. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो टू स्टार्ट विद डेनिम्स, दिस इज़ अ डेनिम जीन्स. इट इज़ अ हाई वेस्ट जीन्स. ये बैगी जीन्स है. इसको हम नीचे से ज़्यादा लंबी है, सो इसको हम नीचे से सब फोल्ड करके इसके नीचे शूज़ पहन सकते हैं. सो दिस गिव्स अ वेरी गुड लुक. और इसका जो मटेरियल है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा थिक है एज यू कैन सी. और ये हाई वेस्ट है, इट्स काफ़ी लेंदी. सो ये मुझे 1000 रुपीज़ में पड़ी. मतलब भैया कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रहे थे. ही वॉज टेलिंग मी 1200 एंड 1300. से मैंने उसको बोला यार 1000 रुपीज़ से ज़्यादा तो दूंगी नहीं. सो ये मुझे 1000 रुपीज़ में पड़ी. दिस सो गुड एज यू गाइस कैन सी. अनदर वन, एक और डेनिम ली थी मैंने. It is this one. Again, this one is the high waist, but it has a buttons over here, as you can see. और ये ripped है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा जगह से ये ripped भी है. It's a high waist ripped denim, as you can see. सो ये वाली भी मैंने 1000 रुपीज़ में ही ली थी. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम द सेम शॉप. ये डेनिम्स मैंने एल्को मार्केट में, बैंड्रा में एल्को मार्केट के बाजू में एक लेन है, उसके अंदर देर आर सो मैनी शॉप्स. वहाँ पे से ही मैंने ये सब कुछ शॉपिंग किया है क्योंकि वहाँ पे से मुझे सारा कुछ मिल गया. सो आई डोंट हैव टू गो टू द अनदर प्लेसेस टू गो एंड टेक बाय मी थिंग्स. सो मैंने एक और डेनिम ली है, ग्रीन कलर की डेनिम है. इट्स नॉट अ डेनिम, द क्लॉथ है दैट इज़ अ डेनिम. यू कैन सी इट इज़ दिस वन. इट इज़ अ जॉगर्स. ये जो पैंट है वो जॉगर्स है नीचे से, एज यू गाइस कैन सी. और बिकॉज ना अभी जीन्स पहनने की इतनी भी आदत नहीं रही है ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन. एंड इट हैज़ अ नॉट ओवर योर. इट्स जस्ट अ फैशन, मेक्स नो सेंस. और यहाँ पे वी हैव 4 पॉकेट्स इन दिस पैंट. इट्स 1 over here, no 1 over here and 2 over here. इट्स pretty much good. काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है बिकॉज नीचे से जॉगर्स है तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. पहनने में भी बहुत सही है. इसका मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है, एज यू गाइस कैन सी. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस ग्रीन डेनिम इज़ 700 रुपीज़. आई मीन ऑल दो ही वॉज कॉस्टिंग टू मच, बट आपको बार्गेनिंग करने आना ही चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग देन बार्गेनिंग इज़ द की. जितना बार्गेन करोगे उतना बेस्ट मिलेगा. एंड अनदर आई टुक दिस वन नॉर्मल ब्लैक जीन्स. कुछ भी नहीं है, इट्स अ नॉर्मल ब्लैक जीन्स ओनली. दिस आई गॉट फॉर 500 रुपीज़. सो अभी टाई एंड डाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा फैशन में है. सो आई टुक दिस ऑरेंज टाई एंड डाई पैंट्स, एज यू गाइस कैन सी. इट हैज़ अ बेल्ट ओवर हियर टू मेक अ नॉट एंड समथिंग. इट इज़ अ प्योर कॉटन पैंट. इसका टी शर्ट भी था, इट वॉज अ फुल पेयर, बट फिर मैंने इसका टी शर्ट नहीं लिया बिकॉज मुझे वो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा. सो इसके साथ मैं अगर वाइट टी शर्ट भी पेयर अप कर सकती हूँ विच विल लुक रियली गुड. और आई कैन गो विद सम न्यूट्रल कलर्स और समथिंग which will look good on this pants. But this pant does not has a pocket. It is a simple long pants, as you can see. So this pant costed me 400 rupees because, and with t-shirt it was 700 rupees. Then I bought a denim short. It is a normal denim short. It has a little bit of ripped over here. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ripped है यहाँ से और यहाँ से, यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत है. और ये हाई वेस्ट है. इसका कॉस्ट वॉज ओनली 250 रुपीज़. तो 250 रुपीज़ में कुछ ज़्यादा ख़राब नहीं था. मतलब इट वॉज ओके फॉर 250 रुपीज़. सो आई गॉट दिस वन. एंड आई गॉट वन मोर डेनिम स्कर्ट ऑल्सो विच इज़ रियली वेरी गुड. इट्स अ हाई वेस्ट, even it has a buttons over here, as you guys can see. This is a denim skirt which I got. When this skirt is 450 rupees, which is good. It has buttons over here. and the material is really very good, and for 250 rupees it is very good. नो इश्यूज विद दैट. मैंने ये जॉगर्स लिए, इट्स मिलिट्री जॉगर्स है ये, ज़्यादा नहीं है. As you guys can see, it's a joggers, it's a military joggers. इसमें हमें पीछे भी पॉकेट्स है, आगे भी पॉकेट्स है, साइड में भी है. सो इफ़ यू नो यू कैन पेयर इट अप विथ एनी डार्क कलर. इसके साथ अगर कोई डार्क कलर या लाइट कलर भी पहन लो तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी दिखेगी. आपको कैजुअल वेयर के लिए जॉगर्स आर वेरी गुड टू वेयर. As you guys can see. सो ये जॉगर्स 400 रुपीज़ में पड़ी मुझे. मैंने ये जॉगर्स भी एल्को मार्केट के बाजू वाले जो लेन में जो शॉप है वहीं से ली है. इसका मटेरियल इज़ 100% कॉटन. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड मटेरियल. देन आई टुक वन मोर जॉगर्स. एक और जॉगर्स लिए है, वो ज़्यादा प्लेन है. ये है ये वाली, ग्रे कलर है ये जॉगर्स. कैन सी इट इज़ द सेम लाइक अ मिलिट्री वन, बट उसमें मिलिट्री प्रिंट था, इसमें प्रिंट नहीं है. ये प्लेन जॉगर्स है. सो कैजुअल वेयर के लिए जॉगर्स आर वेरी गुड. आई प्रेफर जॉगर्स फॉर कैजुअल वेयर्स विच आर वेरी गुड वन. ऐसे यहाँ पे भी यू कैन वेयर और नॉट. यहाँ पे आगे पॉकेट्स है, इसमें पीछे भी पॉकेट्स है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. सो ये भी मुझे 400 रुपीज़ में ही पड़ी. These days I am in love with pastel and neutral colors, so I took this joggers as well. It is a pastel color. It does not has pockets behind. It's a normal casual joggers, as you guys can see. So this I took it from the same shop. This one he costed me only for 300 because I took the last two from the same shop. So he gave me all three joggers for 1100 rupees, which was like good. Can see it has a pocket over here, and the material is very soft. It's very soft and comfortable to wear. I took this normal brown pants. It has a belt over here and it's normal straight pants like plazos. These pants are like plazos. It is nothing, just a normal brown pants. So the cost of this pants were 250 rupees. But I bargained and got it for only 200 rupees. My mom. So these are very comfortable and very cute pants. I can pair it up with some neutral color with this pants. So to start with tops, I got this one pastel green top. As you guys can see, the pattern is very good from front also and as well as from behind. It is a free size top. It's a proper stretchable. It's been stretched and it is not a proper off shoulder, but a less of off shoulder top. Proper off shoulder नहीं है, थोड़ा off shoulder है. और ये जो इसके जो sleeves है, those are balloon sleeves. Has elastic over here. So this a balloon sleeves top and it's really good. काफ़ी trending है. I saw it on Urbanic or Amazon. It was for 600 or 500 rupees. I got it for 400 rupees only, which is very good. I love this top too much. And then I got this yellow top. It has nothing in front or nothing at back. The top ये है full sleeves. इसके top के sleeves वो full है. But the only reason behind buying this top was its material. The material of this top is so soft. The time I just checked this material का top, I just was like, I am buying this top no matter what. The material, I swear, the material of this top is so soft and it costed me only 300 rupees. This top is only for 300 rupees. It's looking very good also. If I wear it around some denims or something, it will look so good. I got this purple pastel top. It's a full sleeves top. This is a 100% cotton material. ये मुझे पता है इसका, this is a cotton material and it is a normal plain top. You see, these days I am loving pastel and nude colors and the collection was so good. I was literally feeling कि मैं सब कुछ ही खरीद लूँ, but no. So I got this top and this top was only for 250 rupees. As you can see, the material is very good. So 250 rupees, it's good for 250 rupees. Then I got one peach, not a peach, it's a pastel orange kind of a top. This one, I really love the plates of this top. and it has a good sleeves also. It has a belt. Now if I wear it on some for a casual or somewhere, it's a proper off shoulder top. A proper off shoulder top, as you guys can see. It has sleeves. I love the pattern of this top. It is a bit of long. This top is a long top, and the cost for this top was 400 rupees. He quoted me 400 rupees. I got it for 350 rupees. La yaar, 400 rupees is too much. So this is for 350 rupees. The material is good and I can wear it on some, denims or something. It will look really good on that. I got this tie and dye top. It is a half sleeves top. This top will look so good on the shorts or on denim shorts or skirts or anything. You can now wear. You can wear it on joggers as well. Such top on joggers look amazing for a casual look. ये टॉप का प्राइस is only 250 rupees and the material of this top is very good. It's comfortable and nice, and for 250 rupees it is good to go. I took one pastel pink top also. I took this one pastel pink top. It is kindness matters. One kind word can change someone's world. I mean, this is so cute. This looks so good. It's for a running or something casual wear. This top costed me only 150 rupees. Only 150 rupees I took this top. It's a 100% pure cotton top. And this looks so cute. I took this shirt from where? I took this shirt. This shirt is from Vero Moda. If you guys can see, it's this shirt is from Vero Moda, and this shirt has some really, it's kind of a hip hop thing. You can tie a knot down there like this, and you can wear it with. It's kind of a crop top. This is a crop top. Sorry, not a crop top. Crop shirt. It is a crop shirt. Yeah, the right word is crop shirt. It has a good sleeves. It's a half sleeves, but it's kind of a little bit of balloon type of something. This will really look good on denims, baggy denims, and even on shorts or shirts. So it must be expensive on Vero Moda side. I saw it must be for like 500, 600, but I got this shirt only for 300 rupees, which is good. A good deal to take it. I got this pastel green crop top. It's a crop top. It has a round neck, and the top has a half sleeves. It's a half sleeves top. It's a crop top, और इसका मटेरियल वो 100% कॉटन है. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है इसका मटेरियल. अगर मटेरियल सॉफ्ट होता है ना, उसको पहनने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होता है और अच्छा भी लगता है. और ये दिस टॉप ओनली कॉस्टेड मी 200 रुपीज़. सो फॉर 200 रुपीज़ इट इज़ वेरी गुड टू गो. It's a good deal to take it. For 200 rupees, this is very good. We can wear it on joggers and we can wear shoes down. It looks really good. I got one shorts. This one floral shorts. I mean, look at this. These shorts are so cute. I loved it. When I saw it, I'm like, I want this. See this. I mean, these shorts are so cute, aren't they? It has a pockets over here. It has 2 pockets. And this one is a little bit of high waist. It has 2 buttons over here, as you guys can see. It has 2 buttons, and this is 100% cotton. The material is 100% cotton, and these are so cute. I mean, just look at it, isn't it? We can wear some pastel top on this. It will look so good on this one. It is. And this shorts, I only got it for 150 rupees. Like, oh my god, wow, 150 rupees is worth it. It's any day worth for 150 rupees. Obviously he was telling me 250 rupees, but I bargained because I took more shorts. I will show you. I took this one, blue shorts as well. It has a lace down. As you guys can see, it has a lace down. It has no pockets. This shorts does not has any pockets. It is a plain one. a plain blue. It is not even a denim, it is a 100% cotton material. It has elastic but it doesn't has a front. So this is cute. I like this cute shorts. So this one was for 150 each. The pink one was 150 and this one was for 150. So 300 for two. I mean, it is a good deal to take it because they are so cute. I took more of them two shorts. These two shorts. You can see these two shorts. I know it has a lots of prints. It is very printed. It has no pockets and nothing. It's a normal cotton shorts. This one and as well this one. It is only this one. You know, this can be worn at night or something, you know, like that only, because this were pure cotton and this costed me like 180 for two. So I was like, chalo theek hai, okay, it's cute one, I can just buy it and wear it anywhere normally. So these are just too cute. It's 100% cotton shorts. Bought one black pant. It's a polyester pants. 100% polyester, yes, I guess. It has a net over here, as you guys can see. It has one net and net print over here. So yeah. And these are plain long black pants. Cute one, very comfortable one. This I got for 200 rupees. So yeah, I got this one plain white top as well. It has, see this, it's a half sleeves top, and but the material of this white top is so good. I mean, it is a very thick cloth, as you guys, I don't know if you guys can be able to see or not or understand it, but the material of this top is very good. It is a stretchable one. You can see it can be stretched as well, and it is a very heavy material, I feel so, because it is very thick. And this top was only for 200 rupees. I mean, for 200 rupees, such a nice cloth and material, and a plain white is good to go. You can wear it anywhere because white goes on everywhere and anywhere. So you know, this can be worn anywhere, anytime. So this is very good. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comment section which thing did you like the most. I'll be waiting, and I'll be posting another video for, you know, shoes, bags, accessories and all. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you.